Hey guys, it's me, Demi here, and today I am back again with another video, and today I am going to be showing you guys all my slimes and all my squishies. So yeah, some of these slimes, just to say, are not activated because I've run out of activator. So yeah, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a better view. Actually guys, I'm not going to do this in a better view because I'm just going to stay here because I actually really like this view. So let's get our first slime. Okay guys, so the first slime is in this cute pot. It's like really cute, and in here is not actually a slime. This is a clear glue green slime, and I ran out of activator for that, so yeah, I'm not really going to be showing you that one. Second slime. Okay, so let me just tell you, most of my slimes are not slime, they're more like putty, so yeah. So this is the next slime. It's in a blue, green and pink container. It would have a pink lid and purple clips instead of green, but I couldn't find a pink lid and I couldn't find, so yeah. And so here's slime. Let me just put them up there. This one is slime. It's super stretchy. It smells like sweaty socks. No joke. When you stretch it, it does. And it still smells like sweaty socks. But yeah, this is a slime that is got glitter in it, and it actually is super good because it is good at poking. So let me just poke this. So yeah, that is like really good, and it's like really good at bubble pops. I don't know if it could do bubbles, but I just can't. It's a really good slime, but I can't stand the smell. It literally just smells like sweaty feet. So yeah, moving on to the third slime. Red slime. So this one is in a Cocoa Pops pot, so a yellow Cocoa Pops pot, and this is a slime that hasn't been activated as well. So yeah. So yeah, that is in there, so I'm not going to touch that one. So I'm sorry about that, I've just got a cough. So fourth slime. So I haven't got my slime yet, but just to say, I'm just going to like show you my squishies as well. So yeah, I'll do my squishies last. So I think I've shown this slime before, but it's not really like, it's like one of those slimes that don't really do much rather than just stretch, and it's just jiggly. So yeah, I have that, and it's purple. And yeah, I'm going to try and attempt to take it out because it's a super duper big batch of slime. I've not actually got all of it out. It's just like a little bit left. It's not that much left. But yeah, it's a super duper big batch. And it's really good. So yeah, and it's like super glittery. I'll just put that back in there. So now we're moving on to the fifth slime, right? Yeah, the fifth one. So let's get the fifth slime. So this fifth slime, I used to have a orange one of these, but it started to melt really bad. So this one is going to my friend. And what I've done with it, I've just put it in there and made my own tiny bag with glitter in it. So yeah. Let me just get this slime out because it takes forever to get out. It's like really hard a little. So yeah, this is just like the same slime as the the second one. It's just it's the slime. It's that slime but with sequins and glitter in instead. So yeah, I used to have a really big batch of that one, and then what I do is usually roll it into a ball, pat down, make a hole with my thumb, and then yeah. So I'm not going to poke it or anything because it's like a really good slime, and you guys obviously seen that. So let's move on to the 6. So the 6th slime is a Puppy Putty, and you probably think this is red, but no, it's pink. And yeah, I've done a video on this as well. So it's a pink Puppy Putty. It's like a really good squeezing thing, but it does really good farts. Let me just show you. You could actually prank someone with this. I don't think it'll work. So you'll have it and just go out. So moving on to the 7th slime. So here is the 7th slime, and I've done a video on this with my friend Keris on her channel. And this is a slime that I made, and it's like more like rubber cheese and putty. So yeah, it used to be like super good cookie, but it's not good. It's like it doesn't leave hole marks. It just goes like that. Moving on to the 8th slime. So I think I said the 8th slime. The 8th slime is a white, and this one's a putty. It's overactivated, so yeah, that's why I call it a putty. So yeah, it's definitely a putty, guys, because it doesn't stay together. So yeah, it's like not very good. So moving on to the 9th slime. So here I have my 9th slime, and this is, why am I saying slime? Because it's not slime. This is just putty, pure putty. Watch. Doesn't stick together. So yeah, I'm not really going to show you putty, so moving on to the 10th slime. So guys, here I have the 10th slime, I think it was. Yeah, the 10th one, and this one's not even like slime, this is non-activated. So yeah. Now I'm going to go on to my last slime, I think. Yeah. So yeah, 11th slime. Moving on to a donut squishy. So this squishy is a donut, and I've just like ripped the rest of that off because it's super annoying. And this is a squishy. This smells really nice, but like it's not even that slow rising. If you can see there, it's not slow rising. So yeah, it's like my least favourite. So yeah, moving on to the 2nd squishy. Okay guys, so I have 2 squishies that I can't decide if they're both my favourite. My second's the least favourite. So I have 3. Let me just get this other one. So that's my 4th least favourite donut, and then all these are my 3rd favourite because I can't decide. So I would say this one's like really good, but it's like really cute. But the thing is, it's not slow rising, so I need some slow rising squishies here. Okay, that's just gone right down the stairs. And then my next one is this cute unicorn. It is so cute. And this is also not really good at slow rising, so yeah. And then this one is like my most favorite because it's slow rising. And it's chips. Everyone loves chips. Moving on to my second favorite. Okay, so I've already shown you the squishy when I showed you my Whoopie Putty, and yeah, it's the banana squishy. Obviously, this has got to be my second favorite because it's slow rising and it's just a big jumbo banana. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to my first bestest favorite squishy. Okay, guys, this is my jumbo unicorn cake squishy. It is so slow rising. It's just like so beautiful. Look at that. It's just like my dream has come true. It's like so pretty. Ready? Wait. Okay. It's up now. Ready? Wait. Oh, look at that big bat I took out of that. It's like so slimy. Like catching not on the wall. So yeah, that is all my slime and squishies, and now I'm going to show you my mini mystery JoJo pack both, and also my Hatchimals. So yeah. So I wore these mini ones today, and this came in my first packet of my mini JoJo mystery ones. And you're wondering what the packet looked like? I will get them. So I've picked them up now. This is what the packet looks like. It's like 2 blind bags in one. You can see there. One blind bag there, one blind bag there. So I've got these 2 in one pack, and then stay. Fell downstairs, but I'll get that in a second. And then I got this red one and blue one. Let me show you what you can collect. You can collect a yellow bow, a rainbow bow, a blue one, a silver greyish one, and a purple one. I don't know where it is, the red one. And then you can get a black sequin one, a pink cupcake one, and a white sequin one, and a turquoise sequin one. I don't even know how to say it, but let's move on to my Hatchimals. Okay, guys, I have got a Hatchimals now, and I'm going to show you the first Hatchimal I opened was a common, and I got a red dotted egg, and then I got a little sheepy. Bah, bah, bah. So yeah, that was my first one. And then my second one that I got was a, which one? Oh yeah, this one. I got a pink egg, and I got a bunny. Bing, 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 bing. And then the last one that I got, I don't have loads of Hatchimals, I just got the 3 mini packs, 3 blind bag ones. And then the next one I got was a green egg. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a green spots. And then, no, go slow. I got a skunk and he is a rare, and my bunny is a common. Yeah. Ew, the fire. So yeah, they're my Hatchimals as well. And now I'm going to tidy up my mess I made. Let me just show you my mess. So there are my Hatchimals on my phone. And then there is my big mess. Right there. Right there. So yeah, I'm going to clean this up right now. And yeah, I'm going to say goodbye to you guys. So yeah, hopefully you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. And don't forget to turn on the notification button, which is the bell. And to join the Girl Power or Boy Power squad. I usually do that because I have my squad t-shirt on, but I don't have it on today. I have this cute outfit. So yeah. Anyway, I love you guys. See you all in my next video. Goodbye.